What's going on? Nick Rehmani here, and welcome back to our video. Did you know that every minute a staggering amount of money is being made online? That's right. The digital world is brimming with endless opportunities, just waiting to be tapped into. Whether it's through innovative business models, cutting-edge technology, or just simply the power of a great idea. The online realm is a goldmine of possibilities. See, imagine waking up to see your bank account growing while you slept. That's the magic of the internet. But before we dive into the strategies, let's face the elephant in the room, the common challenges that many individuals encounter when stepping into the online world. Scams are rampant. The competition is fierce, and a lack of knowledge can turn your dreams into a nightmare. It's essential to navigate these waters with caution and wisdom. Scams comes in all shapes and sizes, preying on those who are eager but unprepared. From get-rich-quick schemes to fake investment opportunities, it's a jungle out there. Competition, oh, it's intense, with millions looking for a slice of the pie. Standing out is no small feat. And then there's the knowledge gap. Without the right information and guidance, it's like trying to find a needle in a haystack. Many starts with high hope, only to be overwhelmed by the sheer volume of information and misinformation. Let's talk scams first. Have you ever come across those flashy ads promising you riches with zero efforts? Yeah. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. These scammers prey on your hopes and dreams, offering you quick fixes and shortcuts that lead nowhere. It's crucial to be skeptical and do your research. Read reviews, look for red flags, and always trust your instincts. Now, competition. The internet is a bustling marketplace with countless others trying to carve out their niche. It can feel daunting, but remember, competition also means there's demand. Your task is to find what sets you apart. What unique value can you offer? How can you differentiate yourself? This might mean narrowing down your focus to a specific niche or offering something others can't. Finally, the knowledge gap. Starting out, the online world can seem like a labyrinth. There's so much to learn, from setting up a website to understanding digital marketing, SEO, social media strategies, and more. It can be overwhelming, but don't be discouraged. Take it one step at a time. Invest in learning, whether through online courses, tutorials, or mentorship. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to navigate the digital landscape. But don't worry, because there are legitimate and proven ways to make money online, and we're going to explore them together. Imagine this. You're leveraging affiliate marketing where you can earn commissions by promoting products you love. Or maybe you've set up your own e-commerce store, selling unique items that reflect your passions. Perhaps you're a freelancer, offering your skills to clients around the world, working on projects that excite you. Affiliate marketing is a powerhouse. Picture this. You're recommending products you genuinely believe in, and every sale earns you a commission. It's a win-win. If you've got a knack for marketing, this is your playground. E-commerce, on the other hand, is your chance to be your own boss. Create a brand, stock your store with amazing products, and watch your business flourish. And let's not forget freelancing, the freedom to work from anywhere on projects you're passionate about and getting paid handsomely for your skills. Imagine promoting a product you use daily, and each time someone buys it through your link, you earn a commission. That's affiliate marketing in action. Or visualize your own online store filled with unique products you sourced or created, attracting customers from around the globe. That's the power of e-commerce. And freelancing, Think about offering your graphic design skills to the international client, building a portfolio that speaks for itself while enjoying the flexibility to work from anywhere. Affiliate marketing is a fantastic way to earn commissions by promoting other people's products. If you love selling and recommending products you believe in, this could be your golden ticket. The process is simple. You sign up for an affiliate program, get a unique link, and start promoting. Every time someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. It's a great way to monetize your online presence, be it a blog, social media channel, or YouTube. E-commerce is another exciting avenue. Setting up an online store has never been easier, thanks to platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Etsy. You can sell anything from handmade crafts to digital products. The key is to identify a niche market, source quality products, and provide exceptional customer service. With the right strategy, your online store can become a thriving business. Freelancing is perfect for those who have a skill to offer, whether you're a writer, designer, developer, or consultant. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect you with the clients looking for your expertise. Freelancing offers flexibility and the opportunity to work on diverse projects. It's all about building a strong portfolio, setting competitive rates, and delivering top-notch work. Here's the secret sauce to making money online: consistency and continuous learning. It's not about striking gold overnight. It's about showing up every single day, putting in the hard work, and being relentless in your pursuit of success. Consistency is your best friend, and learning, that's your superpower. The digital world is always evolving, and staying ahead means you're constantly growing, adapting, and innovating. Think of it as a marathon, not a sprint. Consistency means you're in it for the long haul, steadily building towards your goal. Continuous learning keeps you sharp, ready to pivot when needed, and always ahead of the game. See, every failure is a stepping stone, and every success, no matter how small, is a milestone on your journey. Let's break this down. Consistency means dedicating time every day to your online venture. It could be writing a blog post, optimizing your store, or improving your services offerings. Small, consistent actions lead to significant results over time. And then there's the learning aspect. The internet changes rapidly. New tools, new trends, new challenges. Staying informed and educated allows you to adapt and seize opportunities as they arise. Every successful online entrepreneur has a story of perseverance. They've faced setbacks, but they've learned from them and kept pushing forward. Take inspiration from their journeys, whether it's a failed product launch or a dip in traffic. These experiences are valuable lessons that shape your path to success. Keep learning, keep adapting, and never lose sight of your goals. So let's wrap this up. Remember, the road to online success is paved with action and commitment. We've talked about the challenges, scams, competition, and the knowledge gap. We've explored the opportunities affiliate marketing, e-commerce, and freelancing can offer. And we've highlighted the importance of consistency and continuous learning. The digital landscape is vast and ever-changing, but with the right mindset and tools, you can navigate it successfully. To sum it up, taking action is crucial. You can have the best ideas, but without execution, they remain just that, ideas. Staying committed means pushing through tough times, learning from every setback, and celebrating every small victory. The digital world is an exciting place, full of opportunities for those ready to take the plunge and stay the course. Action and commitment are the pillars of online success. We've discussed how scams, competition, and a lack of knowledge can be obstacles, but they're not insurmountable. By exploring affiliate marketing, e-commerce, and freelancing, you can find a path that suits you. And remember, consistency and continuous learning will keep you moving forward no matter what the challenges are. Now, I encourage you to explore more of our videos on online entrepreneurship and share your thoughts in the comments below. If you would like more resources on making money from home, go to freedomlifebusiness.com and check out my free digital and marketing resources. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more valuable insights. Together, let's unlock the secret to making money online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Make it a wonderful day, and remember to always go for your dreams, no matter what they are. Bye for now.